episode for high juicy news. We were Obibia Aquaba, Ahadie, latest and hot news. Enqua, Aremeyaw Bremo. And we so subscribe to channel area, Bomodia say over subscribe. You may say over click a the subscribe button. Now our barely notification. Where is our video for Frubia be uploaded. When the first person I would say Ebeka ASR video. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up. Nafi share my wofro so now when you be here now who and somewhat a coso ever Ghana memohano. I feel you share ye and somewhat about beto yep no so yet yes I report here about beto yet I report ye.
Akwabi I see a friend Anno Dompreh Aquano. That useless being wrong. Look, let me tell you. Bemme be a not doing yet baby or a bodeni. Na be matese Anno Dompreh to me hwe nyame kasa te se obi a na dwen da gotem ojai electoral commission so ho etu timi nya abotre ne adaje kan vote are not ade wait is Anno Dompreh wenya declare the member of parliament really ojai it is Anno Dompreh to be sore kan kwase asem say ya onu na say oye nipa say speaker sound suspended ne ojai Akwana Jimmy Bible ake Anno Dompreh all sign wa parliament or the Bible and I swear ye wa parliament but Bible na wo say JB shima sum right ya men die left him man and just sabe JB nimi yansa but the kire ne say enye de bia and ye de eko eka asem enye de bia ne ye de ntokwa ejina sam ketwa bia no enye de bia ne ye de keke na wo Anno Dompreh wo constituency ho e won sa wo madroji a wo lusu ya kwati kwanti wo di MP no wo say NDC ni MP before kon now you are saying say wo mo kwa ba bia wo mo declare ye na say MPP ni koto NDC ni say wo ko a membisa asem nim koto bua no na onto hye NDC ni so wo ya aboa ojai you are a beast you are not a human being because Sir JB to be shared Dr. Bayanim Catcher and say, oh, what is a captain? Nay, a year, a Peter Air, no, we some support the captain. JB not doing your juma. A dear, a different one. Our Ghana constitution, money honorable. It is a way honorable. As a so did you crano? Honorable be on the back restaurant to I said the constituency to Abatiano. Who did it is a bois or dying? Honorable the DVO restaurant and not in Safan Dodom. Walk was share. Honorable out the restaurant. No, did you go to Italian patch? Oh, yeah, honorable papa. A dean title honorable no a modu yam a constituency in there. Anno Dompreh what dream were from I am telling you. What dream were from? Hey, so with the politics that you know when Suenians are over bottom wabra we suit. And these are the things what can you say? Hey, Captain Anoya, but according to me, yes, a man can. As your captain, as somebody can come to me account, no, but what the ananka can a different way. Let's hear me. I don't know one kind of different way. We just say, the baby, say, Obi Fum Kuma, Yamfumunya. Now, what the car, Ekum Midday, Midja on a tam to come, Safago.
If the drum face is there,
may I got the name Rekramai? What the car bomb a Kramayakunu? Was a Minja or the Santam Mekramana to car boot, that Wofa Kokori, because also had the Gatini, Namida Rekramana.
If the drum face is there,
so what for me, Kumudia, Mafumeda, the Menja Mekramayari, Cosamina Mama Kramana Dianisa. It's so Kosia, Mamia, on a Naseba Chukra, shut up and Jimino will fear. Because on what it's in about JB, I'm a JB say, oh, 30 say 31, 39. JB was 39 years. Let's assume JB yiri suma intesa na yiri correct say Miss B and JB wano
Wani.
o hwene yiri to hwene nim hwene fu apɛ aterem hwɛ oba ne se do just so wo so ba ujafudi adepa
Kenya manye abe.
banka ne o ujafudi adepa papa
Monko na kwani yenkuno.
we bono so de ne bi bedi anko
Monko na kwani yenkuno.
ha na se yen fa ne se ne yiri ani JB ma me twema so a ono watete ne ba 39 years afei ne wawa no wo say ma me ma fie wa bodam
Kenya manye abe.
what the 1 year 1 day aware no e betete 39 years relationship it is not possible.
It
is not possible. Anno Dompreh oyare o hear psychiatric attention. Anno Dompreh needs psychiatric attention. The guy, something is actually wrong in his head. Anno Dompreh yare. Anno Dompreh oyare. Say o kasa ya henano. Where we are editing nani. What is that? For sound on the toss, for sound on the toss.
Now for to say MPP before, now say MPP ni any NDC ni ekwa. For MPP ni na NDC ni. We are giving the EC 1 week. 1 week, 7 days. The EC must come and declare our candidate as the winner of the election. If the NDC led by Mahama Agyarko will not be reasonable, no matter as you said, based on all the evidence available, the winner, no more against only to trust some, they will continue. You are not going to allow the EC to collect. The IGP I am against now in Kofwe in Kwasiasam if you trust someone. We will continue to
what's that we were doing? What's on the answer? Eti Anno Dompreh dem ametiase. Anno Dompreh o papa tiase. Mo yin fi TV ni so. Enti akwa we ne ma metiase ne papa tiase. O wa busu pani wo fie. He had, you see, when position eludes you, you behave like a mad elephant. NDC, majority leader, your friend is saying, Mahama Agyarko. Look at his posture. Time now, no mubu table, no. Adie bi te say wo ye nya da ade tumi akosa lai akoto aba ma wo adie bi te say wo utumi bubu table. Mahama Agyarko ba no he me da bia me ka be say akanfo a ye wo Ghana. Ye sori ya sisremfo ye ntafo ne yedu ma ntafo ne nim nyansa chen yen ka no kra. Because Anno Dompreh oyakani Mahama Agyarko ye tani. It is how the Mahama Agyarko to Anno Dompreh ho atani ne akani no when nim nyansa. Hey. Mahama Agyarko oyatani ofisirem. Anno Dompreh ofinsawam enkranche here closer to the national capital. Nase Mahama Agyarko oyatani I am standing. May fire within the next 7 minutes. About one in small man stare. Yeah. Na Mahama Agyarko oyatani. I say on tough one tiasama say and tough one to trafo esem for pentokwa. It is not true. And tough one passes here. Who na when you bring the one wrong who's on a kaya beko. Kaya yi ni shirt I say, hey bra. Mamin kofi mra.
We free slim. Entry bedi aninda.
Nana na kan yo.
We free slim. Entry bedi aninda.
Wait.
It's not for Bawumia. Moi.
Yeah, Dada. No.
Obi ofisem.
Obi ofisem. Entimi bedi anim da.
Enti wo de Bawumia ba e dey.
Yeah, Dada. No.
That's on the light. No, many of you. Because see, Mahama Yaga etani ofisem. But who sent to Kwabano? Or do one kubi? Because they are majority. He could have joined his colleagues to misbehave. Sure. But what did he do? Sure. He cooled down tempest and called a complete end. Sure.
Captain
to the vetting process that they will continue tomorrow. Sure. My colleagues, my brothers.
He is smart.
Bibi Amrafo.
He is smart.
That time now not don't play with a table.
Captain Smart.
Or say what? Can he say not 10 between for 10 in India? One enemy answer.
He is smart. He is unique. He is the best. Smart is the king.
Yeah.
Captain Smart, the king of war.
Omina yetimu yem pen no kure. He eye din se Ghana ni eye ne din so betre TV ni radio so aka no kure. Eye din me do nyame sese me to aba wonsan wo ma do agiri. Anno Dompreh. Munti kama jimi ballot paper na metitim. Because nyansa te se sabe kramanya odifie.
Captain Smart.
What dream was from
the king of morning shows?
William so Captain Smart inciting Crawford. Where who bodeni senior bodeni? What's the Captain Smart inciting Crawford? And to say, how would you be able to know? Say where your MPP ni? No way NDC in the world so you can support the NDC. So what this guy is doing that he inciting a certain proportion of the population against another proportion of the population so that there can be civil unrest, there can be chaos in society. The guy is calling for nothing but chaos because Anno Dompreh numu nyansa.
He is smart.
I'm telling you.
Captain Smart is the king.
Because nyansa ni biye ni hwa odi ba no. Now betimi biye na no say yes sir. No. I keep telling you sir, me and ne. We could be assemblyman. I'll reposition myself.
He is
me,
smart.
I will reposition myself. If you say politics need repositioning, they go in tandem. It's a conformable say, as long as you or minister way, now one tenant, now couple seconds, and some make us to say they're not a famine chain. That is one of the major reasons why I like and love Eslowusu as a politician.
He is smart.
She repositioned herself all of a sudden.
He is smart.
The act is over. Act no KO yewie. Now one not Dompreh we mu no na wo to sa. Uye ya kwejama papa penin toto MP. We need a very young, crazy, but intelligent person to lead us. Somebody like Anno Dompreh should have been behind bars by now. If there's anything called incitement, that is proper incitement.
Captain Smart.
What do you do? Ghana, yes, a soldier for well-trained, skillful military officers. Peacekeeping. Ada ne yanka se omunja ikon omunko sonko me yes sankro for do omunko e happen in yendi obi esi wa shate e fi se hetie sa woni nyansani na ma wonai mmobo woni jibifo na ma woto amenem.
They think they are sensible.
Sa woni ba ma nyansani na ma okrakra Obapa. Amenada ha. No wa danu nani. No so nsem. No the way huri. When be ma Jimmy for na ma. Wo bo form say team. Osana we hu say amenada.
He is smart. He is smart.
Be managing Anno Dompreh colleague no.
Gwen.
Yan kon tokwa. Really? Okay. Wo MPP ni mapa. Huh? So MPP ni mapa. It is a da fiama po betimi aboa Anno Dompreh ma na ho ode ni bi aka. She said da fiama pa bo. Na MPP for be di wu achi. Na NDC for so ko di da fiama pa achi a. Then e be so kroma Anno Dompreh.
Le.
Then e be see. No, then baba.
They think they are sensible.
Sabi. Akufo Addo kuro di mampani. On kasa asem we.
Fellow Ghanaians.
Bawumia to the baby dwe no ho. On kasa asem we. Na we na awurade ye nyankopon. O kapso captain muade captain diata na kwai kan kwa asem. Meto me your pop. Asama na po kachre. Was it TV3 reporter and Ajo FM reporter?
Yeah.
Or say, what's the name of Asante? My first Asante vote number. Or master or not, wa shiba Bawumia to say that. Or say Bawumia telling no, not in tough of vote to the buy.
Captain, who is that? Politics, yeah. Posturing, very, very important.
Yeah.
But I'm saying, how we don't study the politics at a micro level, you know. We don't pay attention to some of these things. So we had the posture of MPP post this defeater. It will tell you that this is a party that is not ready to engage. Because we have Afenyo Markin, the character, attitude, the posture in order to committee in any. You see, this is somebody in front of him is emptiness. There is nothing to hold on to. Yeah. So the only way is to cause a scene to be seen relevant on the committee. Yeah. So in doing that, you know, you show more arrogance and Ghanaians become angry the more. Yeah. Interviews are also on the sideline. NAPO I said we say me catch or kasa boom because obi a wako elections a lose why e bisa ourselves. Asante vote when to be deliver. You don't accuse somebody, but quickly or boom.
There you person trust about me and you're correct.
So exactly. So that sober reflection you seek, you know, post elections now party never go back, then you engage, you reflect, you know. They don't have because arrogance will not permit them to do that. Yes, and this is somebody who was going to be a vice president though. Me say Ghana for nyina yen koda nyamiase. Say Bawumia me ye first NAPO amaye vice president. Nanka wo beda asare wo kroma beda asare ne ye kan radio so NAPO ye vice president. Abone be na yaye. That tells you how serious the entire political party yeah. Wo beda asare wo kroma say Ghana ye so vice president NAPO. Like how? Captain. And I'm still wondering why mpanimfo more party couldn't see things we were seeing. Like Council of Elders approved. Now because a Council of Elders, no more cry, no more because as a grown man, you were supposed to see this is wrong. But the Council of Elders couldn't see things. You could see said no, this guy is not a presidential material. You don't add him, bringing him no insult to Ghanaians. But at the same arrogance, you know, got a better part of them, and they think that we were fools. Oh, more kasapa we no more bra. Even post election now was suffer defeat because Namo can't say yes, they are not sure. It means that is his character and nothing can change him.
There is so too for who catch them so on one call. I said on any can say I say on Koma Bawumia.
Yes, and the Otumfo in that statement was confirming the guy was arrogant. We are smarter, you can analyze it.
Kona one Koma Bawumia no.
Yes, and I said Matisse. Say, or he knows what he said. No, he will not mention that in public. But to re-echo and emphasize that, so don't go and say, fall back if you are not a say, see, a month or so, 2 for that was a smart move. So I think that we need, you see, we need to respect people. Now, you say governance in the Yama Dipa. And the obey beyond people because in 1990 Nippon Nimians Sabina among for Ninti or politics no mudia you no and then people are watching you need to do things right. Yeah.
And I don't want if you where fed by an answer, dear. What corner as a young boy style, you know.
Send me a young man.
Hey, none innocent to Subeka.
Oh, many women are young.
What no more pretty space, you know. Innocent, mamma, money space, or
because they say, no, say, a mebnu qua, Mekobi.
And Kwaku Annan,
there be only them in common.
Other than the others of it,
There be a hodium in common.
Okay, pen you for so quick.
So I say, them say, oh, you know, a poor bow body, means upon young man.
So young.
I'm still.
But yes, all right. So, you saw free parliament. I think from last week, I share, you know. MSS Adana Numerena, and near me, of course, Wamu peja table, the microphone to 2 years, suspension, bum, yes, ya copacho, ye suspension free ho, ye approve ministers, yes, ye mummy, ya horiensa, ye de yen tahu, Monsua Moniema, ye wefrim. So all the broha had the cost of parliaments.
Oh, say there be a mecase. I did be a woodino. I was say your money dino, Ejina Brani.
Okay.
Me for some time now, me who say ye will be a semra shebeja, but enye bra shebeja.
Okay.
Esse, but enye.
No look alike, Anna.
I say, on my way, and your ma Ato see, on my way, and she say mu. Nenkanko, nenkosomu. Kese pa no, se de sobo ebobo asoya abaya asoya hodo a se bi omadi omanfo hwammo pa. Ne takesini pa kese pa no, wo se de komra hye bedwam.
Okay. Adentia.
Omo enim omadwuma. Omo eye omo ho se omo ye masters. Nanso so omo ye nkwa a me ne wo ye pe obi asoma no ene yesi omunkosi ya namu na nipa bia no ye wo brofo kasa bi say if you know your position you are free from competition. They don't know their position, and so they are always competing with the public. Yen Ghana for no yen kwa ne womo yen ni asoma womo they refuse to take akwa. And they try to play the masters.
Okay.
Enunti ena omunfa enidie emma Ghana fo no. Omu mu ade, omu fere ade. Na on me ka omu nyina bomu a. Edu ba bia wo se me pa mu.
Okay.
Na me ma Ghana fo hu de nti a abasa. Hwe. Obi oya MPP mrahye bedwani, Oni obi oye NDC mrahye bedwani omonse.
Okay.
MPP mrahye bedwani bia no. Wa woto abama no no. Wo de ya ataihwe ne yobia a wo de ba mrahye bedwam. Na obawie a ya ahwe ne tebia ne yobia.
Okay.
Omo mfani die emma impo omo to abama omo. Anu nti no omo kasa omo boso. Omo kasa tumi mu omo kasa te se de sebi omo ne omo nkoa na kasa enso omo na ye nkoa o eno na ama mrase bedwa ya etwa mu
if
parliament no Ghana fo hu se da bi enkofu mu asa de tumi mu omo a omo emma mo ma betiri so na omo bokin paluta ma ye kuntan na omo ba kuntan na omo peje omo bo na omo se omo bo na omo di kuntan na omo de nam enu nti ube ha MPP mrahye bedwani bia wo de fafi o se chairman sabonso a wono ye se wo ko obi foforo na aba ono na wate wo mrahye bedwam ho ukọ ne peso aso a hwini ho a se bi obetimi de ne nsa atene so se me ko ye me bra me boy eso mfaso ni wode aye ajapade won kran ha ntira nya ye kura mpa a wode bi mama girlfriends na constituency ni si ho owia na crop ya yerefi asante kotoko ohembo odi amma muso na waye ne sompa hene menim som a wosom ya eye papa anu nti ye oye sompa hene ne ya boni din na as a yamani muso and so now wakotena ho for more than 24 years now or for 24 years now ko share mrase bedwam no ne su ni fa so ma Asante mai baako pese baako etino se ye kukuru nioma na ho ne takasi no e wo se de komrase bedwam omadi o ma we hwamo kese pa ne titiri ni MPP mrase bedwafo omo ye nim guasiefo a eni kwan se ye kai omo wo ye history mu e wo bia papa bia mu bibi papa bia ni wa se bi ye betimi anka so oh MPP mrase bedwafo na enam omo so a ade we baaye e fa certificate kro mom toy nyansa ye di ko suku ko sua nyansa di ninimde ebi ni omutirim utimi se we wo so ye lawyer ni hwe lawyer ni a ogina hwe Afenyo yi ya wo ye lawyer ni ubekom pa se nimdie woni bi aida se wo koye no your friend say the teacher pass no teacher say ma fail teacher say ma pass we teacher say wa pass then so pass we busa say law pass law ben e woni trim je wo so ye doctor of finance at state kanom okura certificate no nimdie bia ni ho entino they think say yen na ye omanfo a sabio ye de omakosi baabi no baabi a ye de omakosi no eye tumi a ye de amom say omfa medi yen so tie entino abribia no omoye neoma te say omuna omunu wo tumi bi a yen ye ni tumi no but o can the preamble of the constitution ebe mo hu de wo tumi ni de oni tumi enuntina so wa hwa abribia no omote ho a they forget themselves to say omo ye representatives omo nim say omo eya asomafo omo fa omo say yen momum na ye omo nkoa na edi ne siye mo na mo hye say mo be vetin na mo ye no mo say mo be vetin obi a 1 hour obi timi betena say no ma vetin for 5 hours 6 hours nipa ba ku timi busa nipa ba ko 196 questions Drew baby na ebusa Afenyo say any ebusa say Sam George da ben na no yire da last time I know yire da ye da ben ka na Ghana fu because questions how busa no utu say nyansa ba ko kra nim akwa ben na afa so obi ko school wacha ni ticket say wako sreye so wako bo besia na odi ko school wu kra sika fako school no wo so be lawyer wo lawyer odi ko ye ADB kro no na odi boye Krofo we woye na se bedwani Krofo pa to bottom ni krofo we o ye japade ye ntoma no wia woye na se bedwani ono timi nya akokodro timi busa obi question se onya sika wo he question a obusa no se onya sika wo he na odi twa ticket a odi call landing ko sua ade una na de ma no ati nkwasi afon kwa na gu mra sebedwam ho a me no ka sei p omko a aha se udi odwan kra begina ho a ye beto ama no etu be kom mra sebedwam ho nyan me
say just ko ba election mo say owo de buo kra begina ho beto ama
anya buo na mra sebedwam anya buo na te wo no wasoma buo ebo so be ya mwode a kirewo now to Mr. Speaker ni no mani bo wa me ne nya adwe kura pani a o tinte so to form teo pani o tinte so to form de ne tetra mafa no onye pani papa oyenim guasie ni and he must always sometimes na me ya say na ntwe nim na hoden na oma na nkwase ni small boy bi ubekọ na nkwase dem na small boy bi na watwe na ntwe ato form na afei na ntwe ode ni minimu hyew
ene me ba na so na ye less
aye okwei no na ntwe no di na chi jon ayi akosia bofo eje na bo nyim se ayi odi na chi jon odi na chi jon ene mayanka Mr. Speaker Ghana ha obi eni what say no
number 3
apart from the number 3 no there is no one who has that experience from the very day your Fourth Republic, he was in Parliament and he has been in Parliament till date. There is none like him. And so if people become this nuisance, now we check or common gavel, the shift from say bang. Now one can say because me common gavel now me the shift from now me nim nyansa na the shift from one. Then it means you have a problem in your brain. And I'm questioning whether he ought to be examined. Say, Speaker Adriano, that's so yeah, Juma na. Because as a disciplinarian, you ought to always abide by your discipline and make sure that people must abide by it. No amount of a helper. Because Nipano, say, Hunyansan or Yadi, a sefata. And Kawafa common government in country say on cost suspension. Omukwa suspended omono. Ne was saying ka tre unkoba mu. Ne ka affect even to the chair.
Okay.
Yes, because the chair ought to have stepped or stood his grounds. He ought to have stood his grounds and make sure say obey instilling discipline as far as he is chair. And you know, I was very sad to hear say was suspended just about 4 of them. Yes, obi timi ka say ayeye we no kra no ye koto ne ekoso obi hwa. We am na se bedani. We am na se bedani. Eti we say no ye ka class 1 for asem say class 1 for and na talkatives and na mo pen kwala pen kasa dodo e kwala kra mo na mo ha adwen dodo ye be wie class 1 for dia akoka GHS for dia kan SHS for dia sabe company for papa pen toto for we mo so asem e wo studio ha ya enka na nke ba ye nke ye ka e kwan be na nke be fa so a ye be ma agriculture atimi abo ma o man na koso e kwan be na e betimi afa so ama akwan a se bi asai atimi ayeye ye meka no empani toto we no mu asa bi o mu nim nyansa ya soma wo mo so mo nkom la se bedwam mla se bedwam o enya se bi me kwaka kra mpo makola fo ne mbeko because what dey o mo pai nioma na yeso ye to nioma ya dani honum te se bi yete makola ase ye nim de ye hwehwe asoman o mampani a ya to abama no wa pa obi se wo mra mesini ko se na namu se nipa ne ye se nipa ne nye wo ba ye so totuna no wo de ye nsi anamu totuna no keke eno no gise pagya table ban na microphone so ne ya tete no muntutu microphone no nipa na o kan se muntutu microphone no ka say by now ye na dia free ma se bedwam you get a very wo punishment eno kwanko ne ne mo anya adwen say o masa 2 weeks suspension no. This punishment was too light. Now we are masa atwe sign. Mr. Speaker,
wa twe sign no yes investigation na akoya
they be doing investigate the akoya den.
I was watching all of it no make say they should suspend it.
What was say here? Oni made ba ko a broni ka se bia ye me de pa putting the cart before the horse. Nipa bia o put cart before the horse bia no e wo so hu se na adwini mo hapa. Because afunu ponko on pia nioma o twe nioma. It is how they enioma kosi na nim se afunu ponko pia. Na wo so hu se papa yi na adwini no enya adwuma. Anan na wire suspension wi ansa na ko investigation
committee.
Oh baby, I'm speaker. I say I na adwim no. E nyansa na de TV ase o. Nimdia no, uni nyansa kura untimi nya bi. Because yesi nyansa na waye bibi. Enti na fe ni nyansa no. Nya ansa. Why a suspension without investigation? I feel we are also at the committee. Committee no mo koye den. Omo the finance ne ba dia na de beye. So you put the cart before the horse.
All right.
It is one of the very, because the tripods now you work in terms of on my way nation say no. Me no me wo gidie say na se bedwam si enya no correctly a. Eno be boa ma ye nhyehyeye no akoyi enya executive o. Unse mampani ko apese o si gina ya okomra se bedwam. Because ono ankasa no ono so parliamentarian.
Yeah.
I will see on one man penina name. And oye bibia anya ni 2 million no de ye. because power no resides with the people and the people no representatives ye nyina ye ntimi nkohia wo ba bi say ye siginaye say o mampanifa ye adwuma anu nti na ye nsi anamu enti when we don't get parliamentary works correct, this country will always be in this abyss. Enti mesre yen ma sebi samra se bedwane hu nsam ni hu hia Mr. Speaker, me woni die sonku bi mana se ohu ne hu so hwe a obenyina be ye tope se wa hu ne hu so hwe na ekoye se na maka ni say na obi afafo afre me okay and am rescinding me decision a Debiano, we will also come and then be condemning and rebuking and admonishing you like this. I don't like it. So, all Mr. Right. Speaker, set up. Parliamentarians should set up. MPP for Nipa says now I can. Sebi Ghana for ne empesi benye omubi because of e-levy ade omude ye. Ne empesi benye bi wo ho. Enti se mo amoya majority no so no. Se mo da mo so da create pandemonium wo ho na as a diversionary tactics de bia no. They always want to disrupt. Enti mo amuwo efie nyansa mo mrahye bedwa mo majority side no. So mo ya ade ma mo fie omo. So mo ya mo Ghana fo hu de omo ye. Because bibi omo ye bia nyansa nim. Nipa omo kofa no kran ba se omo bidi omo nim kran no. Nyansa no kran bo no se de jonso abo akoko. Enti mesre mo. Mo ntena mo ho ne mo ase na mo nya ne ma se de be ma Ghana etumpon. Na Ghana fo so enya mo so mfa so. Enya sa na I say we are causing financial loss. Always to the state because Moson Faso Ayano.
You're waiting for winning reporter Abeto Yepnoso Mikao says so when subscribe to channel area Bomodia say over subscribe which say had the latest and hot news and Abede Bremo. Afenyo we are now like video and give us a thumbs up now fe share my wofoforo so now when you be here now who and someone ekoso e Ghana memano. Also with me otchere wadwen afa eye and somewhere nyina ho e comment box ni mo. In my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.